Essential habits every person in their 20s should start practicing. Balanced diet. Maintain a balanced diet. Fill your plate with a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to fuel your body and mind. Regular exercise. Exercise regularly. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's jogging, dancing, or hitting the gym. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for your body's functions. Carry a reusable water bottle and sip throughout the day. Get enough sleep. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. It's essential for physical and mental health. Financial literacy. Build financial literacy. Learn about budgeting, saving, and investing to secure your financial future. Continuous learning. Embrace continuous learning. Cultivate your mind through reading, taking courses, or pursuing hobbies. Subscribe.